Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to send out your crypto from Robinhood in 2025. Whether you're looking to move your assets to a personal wallet for more control or transfer them elsewhere, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Robinhood app updated to the latest 2025 version. This ensures you have all the new security features and interface improvements. Once you're logged in, head over to your portfolio section. That's where you'll see all your crypto holdings listed out. Now, select the cryptocurrency you want to send. For example, if it's Bitcoin or Ethereum, just tap on it to open the details page. Look for the transfer or send option. It's usually right there, front and center. Robinhood has made this process even smoother in 2025 with enhanced search tools. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this carefully to avoid any costly mistakes. Robinhood now includes a built-in address verification tool, which scans for potential errors. Enter the amount you want to send, and don't forget to review any transaction fees. In 2025, fees are more transparent, often based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that. Once everything looks good, hit the confirm button. You'll get a final summary screen to review details one last time. After approval, your crypto will be on its way. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the blockchain network. A quick word of caution: always enable two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. Crypto security is more important than ever in 2025 with rising scams. That's it for today's guide. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe and happy trading.